Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best PlayStation 4 is probably one of the most iconic and beloved gaming consoles of its generation, offering a vast library of exclusive titles and a robust online experience that has captivated millions of gamers worldwide. Its sleek design, powerful hardware, and user-friendly interface made it a staple in living rooms, providing countless hours of entertainment and memorable gaming moments for players of all ages and preferences. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the console scene, the PS4 continues to be a compelling choice for immersive gameplay and cutting-edge graphics. Number 5. KontrolFreek Aim Boost Kit for PS5 and PS4. Unlock smaller, more precise movements with our performance thumbsticks. Add resistance and shock absorption with our precision rings to boost your in-game sensitivity. Experience enhanced comfort with ergonomically designed thumbsticks. Reduce fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs during extended gaming sessions. Our unique material adds resistance to your existing thumbsticks. This allows for more accurate shots, even at the highest in-game sensitivities. Achieve faster target acquisition and greater precision with mixed-height thumbsticks. Improve your control and maneuvering, especially on the left stick. These rings cushion your sticks, adding resistance to prevent overshooting. Increase your in-game sensitivity to react more quickly in battle. Elevate your gameplay with the stylish Black Galaxy Edition. Experience the ultimate in control and precision for your PlayStation controller. What we like. These accessories are designed to enhance your gameplay precision. If you're looking to gain a competitive edge in shooter games or fine-tune your movements for maximum accuracy, these are a great choice. They help you make smaller, more precise adjustments, perfect for those clutch moments. What people say. The console is a powerhouse, delivering stunning graphics and smooth gameplay. Its user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to access games and apps. The built-in Blu-ray player adds great value, allowing you to enjoy movies in high definition. Number 4. NBA 2K18 Standard Edition, PlayStation 4. For over a decade, it's been the top-selling NBA video game simulation. It's also been rated the #1 NBA video game simulation for the past 16 years. This game has received over 95 awards and nominations. It's been recognized since the launch of the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One consoles. You can experience the best NBA simulation available. It's the top choice for fans and critics alike. Get ready for authentic NBA action like never before. Immerse yourself in the most realistic basketball simulation. This game is rated by the ESRB for its content. It includes mild language and crude humor suitable for gamers. What we like. This is the undisputed champion in basketball simulation games. If you are a huge NBA fan and want the most authentic and acclaimed basketball experience available, this is the one for you. It's the series that critics and players alike have loved for years. What people say. The console is incredibly powerful, offering stunning graphics and fast loading times. The DualShock 4 controller provides an immersive gaming experience with its haptic feedback and responsive controls. PlayStation Plus subscription unlocks a vast library of free games and online multiplayer capabilities. Number 3. Destiny 2 Standard Edition PS4. Step into the world of Destiny 2, a vast and evolving universe. Your adventure begins now, filled with mystery and danger. Take on the role of a guardian, humanity's last hope. Wield incredible powers and forge your legend in the stars. Discover breathtaking destinations across our solar system. Each planet offers unique challenges and untold stories waiting to be uncovered. Join forces with fellow guardians in cooperative missions and raids. Together, you can overcome any threat and achieve victory. The fate of humanity rests in your hands. Will you answer the call and become the hero this world desperately needs? What we like. Embark on a grand cosmic journey with this action-packed shooter. If you enjoy exploring vast worlds, teaming up with friends to overcome challenges, and diving deep into a compelling story, this is the game you've been waiting for. It offers endless adventure and replayability. What people say. The console is a powerhouse, capable of running the latest games at stunning resolutions and smooth frame rates. Its sleek, modern design fits perfectly into any entertainment setup. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to access games, apps, and settings. Number 2. PlayStation Sony 4 500GB Slim System. Introducing the PlayStation Sony 4 500GB Slim System. This sleek black console offers a 500GB hard drive for all your gaming needs. Unbox a complete gaming experience with a slim PlayStation 4 system, a matching DualShock 4 wireless controller, and all necessary cables. Dive into a universe of the greatest games, TV shows, and music. Connect with friends and share your most epic gaming moments instantly. Broadcasting your triumphs is easy. With the press of the share button, you can celebrate your achievements on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Elevate your online experience by playing with friends, accessing free games, and saving your progress online with a PlayStation Plus membership, sold separately. What we like. This is a fantastic entry point into the world of console gaming. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to enjoy a vast library of games and connect with friends online, this refurbished system is an excellent option. It's perfect for those new to the platform or looking for a secondary console. What people say. The console is very quiet and the fan noise is minimal even during long gaming sessions. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to access games and apps. It supports a wide range of games, including many exclusive titles that are not available on other platforms. Number 1. PlayStation VR Worlds Bundle, PS4. Games come first. With gamers in mind, this new system delivers unexpected gaming experiences. Prepare to play highly anticipated titles coming soon. Getting into virtual reality couldn't be easier. Just plug the headset and camera into your console. You're ready to go. Seamless visuals keep you connected to the virtual world. It features an expansive 5.7-inch OLED display running at up to 120 frames per second. This is the ultimate virtual reality experience. Designed for gamers, it offers a new dimension of play. Explore incredible new realities with the Worlds Bundle. It's your gateway to amazing adventures. What we like. Step into entirely new virtual worlds with this cutting-edge VR bundle. If you're seeking the most immersive gaming experience possible and want to explore breathtaking digital environments, this is your ticket. It's ideal for gamers who crave a truly next-level, sensory-rich adventure. What people say. The console is backward compatible with a vast library of PS4 games. It boasts a powerful processor and graphics card, delivering stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. The DualShock 4 controller offers an immersive experience with its built-in speaker and motion sensing technology. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.